Let's talk about the treble clef and bass clef for a moment. The treble clef is also known as the G clef because it first of all looks like a stylized G, and most importantly because it circles around the second staff line, which not coincidentally represents the note G. This is the G that is closest to the middle of your piano keyboard. Find this G on your piano, and the other lines and spaces on your staff are easy to find. The bass clef is also called the F clef. Look closely at this clef and you will realize that two dots surround the staff line that represents the F note. To read the notes on the bass clef, simply start with the F line and travel backward and through the musical alphabet.